Okay, I have a 1976 Camaro here. This is the only rust that's on the body. The rear window leaked. It did rust out the rear subframe. Either go with a new belly pan or go with just reinforcing that area. Car was a fine for many years ago, and I just got to get rid of this project. $800 in seat covers on the inside. Brand new seat covers, brand new carpeting. You know, I just ran out of time and I don't have time to fix it. But she's ready for somebody else to take it to the next level. Any questions, give me a call. 602-475-3880.
Number 2, 1968 Plymouth Satellite, priced at $3,500. The 1968 Plymouth Satellite is a classic B-body project car needing full restoration. With 6,800 miles, this model features a 318 engine that turns by hand but is not currently running. It requires extensive metalwork, including floors and quarters, but the rails, roof, and glass are in good condition. The car comes with a clean SC title and is a great project for someone looking to restore a classic American muscle car. The Plymouth Satellite was known for its performance and style, making it a sought-after model among collectors. Number 3, 1962 Dodge Lancer GT, priced at $2,000. The 1962 Dodge Lancer GT is a project car with a body in great shape. It's equipped with the original Slant 6 engine, and while it was reportedly rebuilt, this cannot be confirmed. The car has no seats and needs a lot of work. The Lancer GT, with its distinctive styling and performance, represents an era of Dodge innovation and is a desirable project for enthusiasts. The seller is open to trades for a good zero-turn mower, located in an unspecified location. Number 4, 1973 Volkswagen Beetle 1.8S hatchback 2D, priced at $3,500. The 1973 Volkswagen Beetle, also known as the VW Squareback, is a classic model with 165,000 miles. This model runs and drives but needs interior work. The Beetle, known for its distinctive shape and reliable performance, is an icon of automotive history and a favorite among car collectors. This particular model is a hatchback, adding practicality to its charm. Number 5, 1978 Dodge Magnum, priced at $2,000. The 1978 Dodge Magnum is a unique classic car driven 122,000 miles. It features a newly rebuilt original engine with numerous new parts, including a Holley 2-barrel carburetor, distributor, plugs, wires, and more. Despite the extensive work done, the car has a short preventing it from turning over. The Magnum, known for its stylish design and performance, is a rare find and a great restoration project. This car has been in the seller's family for almost 30 years and comes with a clear, clean title, located in an unspecified location. Number 6, 1971 Cougar, priced at $3,400. The 1971 Cougar is a classic car with a 351 Cleveland engine and matching numbers. It runs and drives well but needs new tires and interior restoration. The car has some rust but remains a solid candidate for a complete restoration. The Cougar was known for its powerful performance and stylish design, making it a desirable classic car. The seller is open to cash or trade for a side-by-side Mule or Pioneer, located in Carbon Hill, Alabama.
It's a little 71 C10 long bed shop truck. Got a good overall view of it here. We'll show the engine in it here, all the new parts on it, new carburetor, new brake booster, new master cylinder, new alternator, big radiator in it. Get a view of the driver's side over here. Just a sweet little old truck. It's lowered 3.5. We'll get a picture of the interior here. It's got a tilt wheel in it, 4-speed. Good solid floorboard there. But sweet little old ride.
Number 8, 1971 Ford Torino, priced at $3,000. The 1971 Ford Torino is a classic car with 68,000 miles. It features a 302 engine with new heads, a new Lunati cam, MSD distributor long tubes, full exhaust, new timing chain, and all new gaskets. The Torino, known for its performance and style, is a fun car that needs to be sold to finish another project. This car is a great restoration project for someone looking to own a piece of American muscle car history. Located in Lancaster, Ohio. Number 9, 1979 GMC Pickup, priced at $3,000. The 1979 GMC Pickup is a classic truck with 128,000 miles. It features a 350 motor and is in good condition for its age. The transmission slips and it will need some work, but it runs well otherwise. The GMC Pickup is known for its durability and versatility, making it a popular choice for restoration. This truck would make a nice project for someone looking to restore a classic pickup. Located in Plymouth, Indiana. Number 10, 1966 Chrysler New Yorker sedan 4-door, priced at $3,645. The 1966 Chrysler New Yorker is a full-size sedan with 67,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and is in good condition with minor work needed. The New Yorker was known for its luxury and comfort, making it a desirable classic car. This particular model is a 4-door sedan, offering plenty of space and a smooth ride. Located in Gadsden, Alabama. Number 11, 1973 Dodge Charger Rallye, priced at $350. The 1973 Dodge Charger Rallye is a very rough and rusty project car. The roof and rear valance are in near perfect condition, but everything else is in poor shape. The Charger Rallye, known for its powerful performance and iconic design, is a classic muscle car that, despite its condition, offers valuable parts. The seller is open to trades for Mopar parts and can deliver within 50 miles. Located in Lombard, Illinois.